Nagpalpitate pa ako sa dami ng coffee testers. Part 2 ng day 1 namin here in Ubud. Ha? Basta, tuloy na natin to. By the way, tignan nyo tong tinuloyan namin kung gaano kaliblib tong staycation na to. Legit leg day everyday talaga dito, be. So ayun na nga, after namin mag-check-in, nag-rent kami ng motorbike just across the street ng villa namin. We stayed at Woy Woy Escape and rented the motorcycle from Good Family. Ni-rent namin yun for 150k IDR, roughly mga around 500 for 24 hours na. O diba? Sulit. Mga 3pm na kami nakastart mag-explore and our first stop is Bali Polina. Pagpasok mo dito, libre naman na yung tour. Napaka-quick tour lang, mga around 5 to 10 minutes.
Time check 3:47 na dito tayo sa Bali Polina. Ano to? Coffee, ano ulit? Coffee plantation Karut.
Kung paano nila ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay and kung ano pa yung mga products na binebenta nila dito such as coffee, tea, at kung anes-anes pa. Go!
Skin of the coffee. This is the hard skin, the silver skin, and this is the real coffee bean inside.
Meron din sila dito mga dried goods na kanilang na-harvest and pinakita rin nila sa amin yung actual luwak, kung saan galing yung luwak coffee. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung luwak coffee, i-search nyo na lang. Go! Then after nung quick tour, diniretso kami dun sa coffee shop kung saan namin pwedeng itry yung mga products nila. Syempre yung ready to eat na and drink, diba?
It's the famous coffee trial. So you can order all of this and taste everything in their menu.
So, we tried their coffee and tea testers and all in all, masarap naman lahat. And syempre, di namin pwedeng palagpasin na itry yung luwak coffee. For me, okay naman siya. Para siyang black coffee na meron ng sweetener kahit na wala pa siyang sweetener. You know what I mean? If coffee lover ka, okay yun sa'yo. Our next stop is Ubud Market. Ang dami ding local shops dito and sa town center nito, dito kami bumili ng ticket for Kejak Dance. Nakalimutan na namin mag-video dito kasi in-enjoy lang namin yung mga shops and as usual, wala silang mga presyo. After strolling, bumalik muna ulit kami sa villa for dinner and then head back dun sa venue ng Kejak Dance. And grabe, solid experience talaga siya. It's a traditional folk tale passed down from their ancestors and ang saya manood ng ganitong performance because mas naiintindihan mo talaga yung culture nila. Medyo umulan lang towards the end so hindi na namin napanood yung last 5 minutes ng show. Sayang, but honestly, it was all worth it. After that, we head back to our villa kasi pabugso-bugso na rin yung ulan that night and we ended up prepping for tomorrow's ganap. Ito na talaga, next mini vlog, day 2 na here in Ubud. Go! Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!